My name's Andy and this is the beginning of my Acoustic Ibanez Jem project. Years ago I decided to build an Ibanez Jem before I could afford one, and it never really came to light and got finished. So I have this Jem replica neck, Chinese replica Jem neck kind of left over from there, and it didn't really fit the body right. And yeah, so long story short, I've decided to take the Jem body and I've drawn around it onto this piece of cheap plywood, and I've got this Jem neck. So I thought what I would do is make an acoustic Jem. I don't even know if this is going to be a good guitar. It could be absolutely crap, not really suited at all. I've done a Photoshop of it and I'll put that up here on screen. I just think it looks kind of cool and I'm going to have a go at it. But yeah, I don't know how well it'll turn out if I just... I'm not really a good guitar builder either. I thought I would just, you know, I've got some plywood, I've got this neck, so let's see what I end up with. I hope you can learn by the mistakes I'm about to make. Maybe I might not make too many mistakes. I might do some good decisions. I might do something good. I'm probably not going to make a really good guitar that sounds and plays really well at the end of this. I think it's just going to be... I don't know what it might be good. It might be absolutely shit. So yeah, let's crack on. See what we end up with. I'll start out by doing this properly and going around the outline with a Stanley knife just to score the wood and make sure that when I go around with the jigsaw it doesn't actually splinter the edge of the wood. Now it's time to get the jigsaw out and start making those cuts of faith. Thankfully my work with the Stanley knife has kind of made the edges a lot smoother as I'm cutting. Even with a fine tooth blade it's going to splinter the edges a lot, and that's just what I'm trying to avoid. As you can see here, there is a big difference between where I've scored the wood with a knife and it's come nice and smooth, and the rough edge where I haven't scored it. Obviously I will be going around these edges with a flush cut trimming bit with a router and hopefully getting them nice and really smooth towards the end. I'll probably be using a lot of wood filler as well. I'm not going to bother binding this guitar. I am going to just kind of fill it all up, smooth it out and give it a really nice coat of paint and hope that does the job. Like I said in the intro, I'm not a luthier, I'm not a guitar builder, whatever you want to kind of describe yourself as, I'm definitely not. I just had some wood and a neck lying around and I thought I would do something interesting with them. We'll see how this turns out. It might be a really good, cheap project. It might make a decent guitar at the end. I just thought I'd do it, see if I can inspire some people to do some good things, and let me know what you think in the comments. Thanks for watching, give me a like and a subscribe, and hopefully I'll see you next time.